Hello my sweets and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see from the title, it's basically just going to be a turban tutorial, but I do want to say a few things before. So this turban hijab works best with viscose type of hijab, like this viscosey material. You have to have a low bun. So I've tied my hair in a way where there's also like a loop that is hanging down. So that is what you'll be needing. Let's just get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is fold your maxi viscose hijab in half. Like, well, not really half, but you fold your hijab like this. As you can see, it's not fully folded in half, but put the scarf on your head like so. And then let me just fix everything. Making sure no hair is peeking through because that's really annoying. You keep one shorter side and then one longer side. And then you fix your scarf where your hijab cap is ending, right here. And then you just do like that and then basically twist. You make this longer side come here. After that, what you do is you put this part, like make sure it's tight, and then you put this part on your head, you bring it around. This is actually harder than I expected. So now when you have this side right here, you try to bring everything, okay? And then you have left material in the back as well, so we cannot forget that. So after that, if you want folds, like if you want to fold your hijab, you can do it, but I usually like to keep it simple. I take this entire, can you see this? Now I'm taking it around and twisting it around this longer side. What I do with this is I just put it in here. So we don't need pins for this, okay? Making sure that everything looks good on the sides. I have my mirror here, that's why I'm looking here all the time, or here as well because my monitor is down here. I take this longer side that's hanging right in the back and I just twist it around my bun that we have created. Twist it around and I twist it around like so. And now we take the hairband. And then, yeah, this is pretty much it. So as you can see, I'm gonna turn around and show you. So yeah, you can basically play around with how you want it to be, but this is the way I love wearing my turban hijab. It looks like a nice flow going down like that. I really hope you found this video helpful and that you understood what I was trying to say throughout the video. I was trying to just like, you know, talk this time because I haven't spoken to you all for so long. I always make videos where I'm like silent and like quick videos. So yeah, I hope you liked this video and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification because I do upload every Friday and I'm trying to upload twice a week nowadays, but I'm slowly getting into it. So if you do have other videos, my birds are fighting in the back. So if you do have other video suggestions that you want me to make or whatever, please let me know down below. I will be super duper happy to make those. So yeah, stay blessed everyone. See you all in my next video, inshallah. Bye bye.